If you're experiencing login failure 2026 in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Riot Games server status page to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may cause login issues. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. A poor connection can lead to login failures. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure 2026 issue in Valorant. Good luck and enjoy your gaming.